Get a heat-proof jug and put in about 1 cup of boiled water. 1 cup is about 250 mils. Then add 1 packet, which is about 85 grams, looks like that, of lime jelly. Now just stir this in. Just stir this until the jelly crystals have dissolved. Now add about 1 cup, another 250 mils of coconut cream. Give that a stir. Get a small saucepan, put in about 1/3 cup of water, cold water, and put in some unflavoured gelatin in there. The packet I use looks like that. Just leave this in here for about 3 or 4 minutes just to let it glugify a little bit, and then we'll get on to the next part. Turn the heat on and we want to boil this on medium or low. We want the crystals to dissolve, and once the crystals have dissolved, then it's ready. Alrighty, that's ready. Now we just pour it into the lime coconut mixture. And just pour that straight in, like that. Just give this a stir, mix it through. Now I'll get a couple of glasses, small glasses or whatever you want to put this in. Pour it in there. Pour it to about 2/3 or so. Now put this in the fridge so it can set. That'll probably take about 4 hours. Put it in the freezer if you want it to be faster. That'll take about 90 minutes. Get a frying pan and over medium. Get a frying pan and over small medium heat, put in about 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. Now we just want to toast this, so just for a couple of minutes, just stir it around a bit. Now just transfer this to a small bowl and let it cool. Now that this is set, as you can see, and you want to put in about, I don't know, 3 lychees or so. For those who don't know what lychees are, they look like that. Drain the syrup, you just want the lychees. Now I found this in the Asian section of my local supermarket, so just place them in. So I get the shredded coconut that was toasted and just sprinkle it over the top. Now this part is optional, but if you want, and I like to just sprinkle over the top just a little bit of cinnamon sugar. Simple.